Okay, so before we start with this exercise, we'll quickly revise the demonstrative adjectives. Listen to the question and answer in the chat. All right. What demonstrative adjective is used for a feminine singular noun? Use the chat. Very good, Anaida. Very good, Kaushiki. Susan, correct. Deep, correct. Ishita, correct. Namra, correct. Malay, Mahi, correct. Very good. Ishita, we need what? A demonstrative adjective. No, Drushti, a demonstrative adjective, not the possessive adjective. Okay. So the demonstrative adjective for feminine singular is CETTE. Okay. CETTE. Now, what when it is a feminine singular word, but it starts with a vowel? What if the word very, very good, perfect? It is still CETTE, Malay, not CE. Feminine singular word है, पर फिर भी vowels clash हो रहा है, तो होने देने का. We will let the vowels clash. All right. So feminine singular word हो या feminine singular which begins with a vowel वाला word हो, it doesn't matter. CETTE आएगा दोनों के लिए. Now listen to the question carefully. What is used for the word which is plural? Whether it is masculine plural or feminine plural, which word do we use? Perfect. Very, very good. All the answers are correct so far. We use CES. CES. Okay. What word is used for a masculine singular word? Masculine singular. Perfect. All the answers are correct so far. Except number, I did not specify the case. So normal masculine singular वाले word के लिए क्या होता है? CE. Okay, CE. But now I'm specifying that it's a masculine singular word, but it starts with a vowel. तो क्या लिखोगे? Perfect. Perfect. So I repeat, masculine singular CE, masculine singular plus vowel CET. Feminine singular and feminine singular plus vowel दोनों के लिए CETTE. And masculine feminine plural है ना, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है masculine plural हो या feminine plural हो, CES लिखेंगे हम. All right. So keeping all of this in mind, we will solve the exercise number 10. Nous allons acheter dash maison. Answer for the first one. Let's see. Very good, Suzanne. Very good. Anaida, Namra, well done. Kaushiki, correct. Deep, don't put all the answers together. One by one, let's solve together. The first answer, as you have written in the chat, it's correct. CETTE. Okay, I'm displaying it on the screen as well. Second one, perfect. Why is the first one CETTE? Because the word maison. Maison is feminine singular, ना इशिता? La maison होता है. So maison la indicates that maison is feminine. Because maison is feminine, हमने CETTE लिखा. Going ahead, monument. Very good, all of you are correct. Daniel, monument is masculine singular. ल monument होता है, ल मतलब masculine singular. तो हम CE लिखेंगे. All right. Going ahead, église. Now this is a googly question. Okay, so I'm displaying the answer. अच्छा, now my question is, okay, यहाँ पे E और E clash हो रहा है, सेट का E clash हो रहा है, एग्लीस का E clash हो रहा है, तो क्यों CETT लिखेंगे हम? What do you think? Vowel तो clash हो रहा है. Very good. Kaushiki has written the answer. Namra has written the answer. Very good. Suzanne has also written the answer. Perfect. Feminine में we have to let the vowels clash. Okay. Feminine singular में CETTE होता है. Feminine singular plus vowel के लिए भी CETTE होता है. तो हम vowels clash होने देंगे. होता है तो होने दो. Because हमारे पास दूसरा word है ही नहीं. Okay. Yes, that's what. Okay. Great. Next one. Biseclet. सिंपल, सबसे इजी वाला वर्ड, इससे इजी हो ही नहीं सकता है. कीप योर आईज ओपन. बीसेक्लेट इज एंडिंग इन एस, मतलब ये पक्का प्लूरल है ना. बीसेक्लेट मतलब बाइसाइकल्स प्लूरल है. बिकॉज इट इज प्लूरल, आई विल सिंपली क्लोज माई आईज एंड राइट CES, है ना. फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, मैस्कुलिन हो फेमिनिन हो, कोई झंझट ही नहीं, प्लूरल है, हम CES लिखेंगे. लास्ट वाला, ऑफा. ऑफो. ऑफो. ओके. Now, how do we come to know it's masculine or feminine? थोड़ा सा सिंपल सा लॉजिक है. ओके, मिनियो को देखेगा. मिनियो, द वर्ड मिनियो. मिनियो इज इन द मैस्कुलिन सिंगुलर फॉर्म. अगर ये फेमिनिन होता तो कैसे होता पता है? MIGNONNE. फेमिनिन फॉर्म इज MIGNONNE. नाउ मिनियो इज फेमिनिन. MIGNONNE फेमिनिन है, स्त्रीलिंग पे MIGNONNE है नहीं, MIGNONE है, मतलब इट इज मैस्कुलिन. मीनियो मैस्कुलिन है. मीनियो मैस्कुलिन क्यों है? क्योंकि ऑफ फॉर्म मैस्कुलिन है. So keeping that in mind, even this one should be masculine. The blank, the demonstrative adjective. Now, tell me what will you write for a masculine singular word? Offer is therefore a masculine singular word, and it is also starting with a vowel. No, Deep, there is no word called C apostrophe here. We will write CET. Demonstrative adjectives क्या लिखते हैं हम? Masculine singular plus vowel के लिए हम CET लिखते हैं. There is an error on the screen. CET, okay? CET लिखना. CE is absolutely wrong. Make sure you write CET. CET. All right. चलो अभी मैंने ऐसे करेक्शन टेम्पररीली कर दिया है. CET होना चाहिए. Is that clear? All the 5 sentences. Any doubt anyone so far? Shall we go ahead? Exercise number 11. Yes, okay. Exercise number 11 says make feminine. तो पूरा सेंटेंस अच्छे से फेमिनिन बना के चैट में डालो, then I will display the answer. Perfect. I'm getting the answers. Okay, I will let Tina's in. Just give me 1 second. All right. Pinaz, I have let you in. Make sure next time onwards you write down the branch name as well. Okay. Let's discuss the sentence. Everyone, set Ami a chinoise. Now we are making it feminine. Okay. So what do we do? CET का feminine क्या है? CETTE. Ami, Ami with E. EST तो change नहीं होता है. Chinoise with E. So this is your sentence. Now again, ma'am, यहाँ पे सेट का ई एंड आमी का ई क्लैश हो रहा है, क्या करेंगे? सेट का ई आमी का ई तो क्लैश हो रहा है वॉवल, सो यस एग्जैक्टली, लेट इट क्लैश. होने देंगे, रहने देंगे, लीव इट एज इट इज, वैसे का वैसा, तसा का तसच. ओके, शेम टू शेम ऐसे ही रहने देने का. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, सॉ पेयर चेंजेस टू व्हाट? दीस टू वर्ड्स सा मेर. परफेक्ट. सॉ पेयर चेंजेस टू सा मेर. Rest of the things are not changing. Shame to shame, as it is, tashakata search. Okay. Travaye is a verb, dons is a preposition. CTTE तो already feminine form में है. CTT feminine है तो बाजू वाला word भी feminine होगा already. So what is changing? Only the first 2 words. All right. Next, set actor. First 2 words कैसे change हो रहा बताओ मुझे जरा in the chat. The first 2 words. Very nice, Namra. Perfect. That's exactly what I expected. Ishita, there is one slight error of 1 letter in your spelling. Nidhi, correct. Ashna, correct. Ishita, I want the whole sentence. Kaushiki, no. Okay, let's discuss. Remember, actor changes to actress. आपने CET को बराबर CETTE किया, but actor को actress नहीं किया. It's very important. Actor को actress करो. All right? Because it's an irregular word. अगर नहीं पता है तो नोट डाउन कर लो. Actor is actor, actress is actress. So note down, actor with E ऐसा कोई word नहीं है, okay? Remember, actress लिखना है तो actress, ACTRICE, irregular है. Notre professeur है intelligent. There is only one word which changes here. Now you tell me क्या change करूँ मैं out of all of the sentence? कौन सा word change हो रहा है? We only add E. Okay, professor is a word which usually is used for the masculine and feminine both. तो intelligent ही change होगा, बाकी सब तो कुछ change नहीं हो रहा है. Last sentence में भी सिर्फ एक ही word change हो रहा है. Let me know which word should I change. Can we write madam? No, मसियर हुआ तो madam लिखेंगे ना. Professor को हम नहीं लिख सकते madam. It's very nice, very nice. So far, two of them have given. Anaira has given correct answer. For the last sentence, there is only one word. Last sentence, deep, not the fourth. Last sentence, number 5. Etudiant. Only the word etudiant changes. Etudiant with es. Rest of the sentence is as it is. Okay. And everything clear? Meteo feminine. Have you understood? Professor does not, because professor is used for both masculine, feminine, दोनों के लिए. Okay. Now, let's go ahead. Okay. You to give the directions to go to your classroom, from your classroom to the canteen. Okay. So I've randomly written, I do not know the directions of your school and everything, but we can simply, use these words and frame the directions. What are they saying? I repeat. They're asking you to give the direction to go to the canteen from the school. Okay. So from your class to canteen का direction देना है आपको. Now when you're giving directions, suppose a stranger is asking you, where is this blah 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 bank located? तो आप stranger को कौन से tense में बताओगे? Direction कौन से tense में देते हैं हम? Directions, okay, present tense. But when we directly, okay, one small thing now here. अच्छे से सोच के बताना हाँ. When I'm giving the directions, do I always say, you first go there, then you take this? No. I simply say the direction, no? Go straight, take right, and then to the left, you have this place. Barabar, I simply give the direction. It means the subject pronoun is missing when I give the direction. तो subject pronoun कौन से tense में missing होता है? Imperative. Excellent. Very good, Daniel. The things that are displayed on the screen, all of these are in imperative. Okay. Ale tu dhruvat. Now, why am I using the who form, ma'am, you form and nu form? क्यों नहीं use करने का? Simple, because you are giving a direction to a stranger. तो उसको हम आप करके बुलाएंगे ना, because you don't know that person. उसको तू नहीं बोल सकते, and nu तो बोल ही नहीं सकते, because nu मतलब हम लोग नहीं. We are giving it to somebody who is third person. Okay, or second person, and elder or some stranger, तो हम आप बोलेंगे उसको. Okay, आले तू ध्रुवात. Now आप बोलना है, so that is why the conjugation is in the who form. आले तू ध्रुवात इतुरने आगोश. आले तू ध्रुवात means go straight and turn to the left. You go straight, आले तू ध्रुवात, go straight and turn to the left. If there is no canteen, then you cannot write in the exam there is no canteen in our school. If you have such questions, see, it's just like in English. Suppose they give you write an essay on my dog. Will you say I don't have a dog? So marks, maybe I don't have marks to give. ऐसे बोलेंगे कि teachers. Okay, so whether you have or you don't have, it doesn't matter. हमको question पूछा है तो हमको marks के लिए answer लिखना ही पड़ेगा. Because nobody is actually going to come and check आपके पास dog है या नहीं है. अपने को ऐसे लिखना है, हम imaginary dog पे ऐसे लिखेंगे. तो अपने को यहाँ पे कैंटीन पे डायरेक्शंस देना है, तो हम इमेजिन करके डायरेक्शंस देंगे, बिकॉज वी वांट मार्क्स. ड्रीम डॉग, यस. सो यू इमेजिन अ डॉग, यू इमेजिन अ कैंटीन. इफ देयर इज नो कैंटीन एंड यू राइट डाउन, यू नीड द मार्क्स. हमको क्या करना है? सो आले तू ध्रुवात इतुने आगोश. गो स्ट्रेट एंड टर्न टू द लेफ्ट. आपरे प्रनेल प्रीमियर कॉरिडोर आ ध्रुवात. सो फर्स्ट you go straight, turn to the left. Afterwards, take the first corridor to the right. Pranal is escalier. So then they are saying that you take the staircase. Take the escalator or take the staircase. Okay. And then what do they say? Just hold on. Apre means afterwards. So take the staircase there. Laba means there. Take the staircase there. Take the first corridor to the right, and then take the staircase to the, take the escalator there. Monte 10 etage. So you climb 2 floors and there is the canteen. All right. Apre means after that. Is everything clear? Directions? Do you understand now why is imperative used? Imperative में वो form क्यों लिखा है? Yeah, I will repeat the translation. It says you go straight, turn to the left, go straight and turn to the left. Afterwards, take the first corridor, take the first corridor to the right and take the first corridor to the right and take the escalator there. Climb 2 floors and there is the canteen. All right. No, you have to write in paragraph only. Why would you write in sentences? यहाँ तक सबको समझा? Shall I go ahead? अभी ना exercise number कुछ बचा है? Match the column. Okay. Work on match the column and then we'll discuss. अपने हिसाब से मैच करो, फिर हम डिस्कस तो करने ही वाले हैं. How many of you have started chapter 5 in school? सुजैन के स्कूल में स्टार्ट हो गया, इशिता के स्कूल में स्टार्ट हो गया, अनाइडा एंड नीडी नॉट येट. ओके. किसी स्कूल में 6 या 7 चैप्टर हो रहा है? Any school has 6th or 7th chapter? No na. Has every school informed 6th and 7th chapter नहीं है तुमको portion में for this year? It's cancelled. Yes. Last 2 chapters are omitted. Okay. So now we are left with only one chapter, which is chapter number 5. सब schools में बोला है ना chapter 5 and 6 omit है? They didn't say anything, Suzanne? Okay. But others, it seems everyone is saying yes. So we are left with only chapter 5 after we are done with 4. I will not start with chapter 5 today. If you remember, we skipped some exercises from chapter 1. वो जो हमारा miss हुआ है वो हम cover up कर लेंगे. Okay? याद है ना chapter 1 का कुछ miss हुआ था exercises? So I will cover that. फिर हमारा 1, 2, 3 and 4 एकदम clear हो जाएगा. Then I will start with the 5th chapter. चलो, let's get back to the match the column. Sakut Kombiya, how much does it cost? So because it's about cost, then it's euros, 150 euros. Okay, cost पूछ रहे ना तो पैसा ही, पैसे में ही आंसर होगा, euros. Richard has won a prize. What will you say when somebody wins a prize? हम क्या बोलते हैं? Felicitación. Felicitación म्हणजे काय? Felicitación means congratulations. Why are you saying congratulations? Because he won a prize. है ना, वो प्राइज जीता है, इसके लिए हम बोल रहे हैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. ओ शत्रुवला कैस, वेयर इज द कैस? क्या है कैस? गाइनियर इज टू विन. ओके, टू विन और टू अर्न. इन दिस केस इट मींस टू विन. ये रहा गाइनियर, GAGNER. इट्स अ रेगुलर ER वर्ब. वेरी गुड. कैस अभी तक मुझे सिर्फ सुजैन ने बताया. कैस, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ कैस? वी डिस्कस दिस अर्लियर. एनीवन, व्हाट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ कैस? सुजैन knows the answer. Others? Chair? No, it's not chair. Chair is chaise. CHIAC. Cash is what? Cash counter. Cash counter किधर होता है? At the entrance of the supermarket. À l'entrée du supermarché. At the entrance of the supermarket. Helen wants to buy a book. Where does she go? कौन से shop में जाएगी वो? She will go in the shop which is called as B. Stationery. Yes, papeterie. If you want to buy a book, if you want to buy a notebook, go to stationery. So you go to papeterie. Papeterie is nothing but a stationery shop. Eiffel Tower, c'est magnifique. It's magnificent. Make sure you have matched it correctly. 1C, 2E, 3A, 4B, 5D. सबको यही मिला? Say magnifique, मतलब it is magnificent. It is. Yes, everyone has got the same. Very nice. So here are the answers. Have a look. I have written the answers in the B column. A column में question है, B column में answers है. Check करके देखो तुमको यही मिला. Yes, okay. Now what do we have to do? Au quoi sont les objets suivants? You have objects given. Okay, poule, jupe, table, cahier, cueillère and robe. What is a poule made up of? Poule मतलब क्या होता है? Pre means price or also price depending on the context. Yes, Kaushiki. Okay. Now what is a pull? Pull मतलब it's like a sweater, a pullover. तो pullover किससे बनता है? Pullover is made up of len, wool. Okay. So first वाला len. आप यहाँ पे इसको ये कर सकते हो आंसर 1. ये this can come in question answers format. What is a pull? Aqua A la pool. La pool A on len. याद है aqua वाला क्वेश्चन हमने लास्ट क्लास डिस्कस किया. तो ये जैसे यहाँ पे दिया है ऐसे फॉर्मेट में तो एग्जाम में नहीं आता है. एग्जाम में कौन से फॉर्मेट में आएगा? क्वेश्चन आंसर फॉर्मेट में. ओके. Aqua et la jupe. Aqua et la jupe. La jupe est en soie. SOIE. The skirt is made up of silk. SOIE. SOIE. See how it is. I have highlighted it in red. SOIE. ऐसा slant में जा रहा है. Towards the left. SOIE. Silk. Aqua et la table. Table मतलब टेबल किससे बना है? टेबल किससे बनता है? What is the table made up of? Aqua et la table. Very nice. बुआ. तो बुआ किधर है? ये रहा. BOIS. Here. BOIS. BOIS. Here it is. Next. Aqua et la cueillère. Cueillère क्या है? Cueillère means what? Okay, cahier है उसके पहले. Cahier is on papier. Perfect. Cahier is papier. नीचे लास्ट वाला PAPIER. ओके, कर्सर देखते जाओ, समझ जाएगा कहाँ पे आपको मार्क करना है. देन कईयर क्या होता है? वेरी नाइस. कुयर स्पून. स्पून किससे बनता है? वेरी नाइस. आसियर. आसियर किधर है? ऑन द स्क्रीन. डू यू सी आसियर? यस. वेयर इज इट? इन द लास्ट कॉलम. कैसे लिखा है? उल्टा. ACIER. Then what is the dress made up of? The dress is made up of Dundo. Dress is made up of Asier is steel. Dress is made up of cotton. COTON. ऐसा slant में है. COTON. All of these material nouns are important. याद है ना? EN plus material noun लिखते हैं. The word EN and the word after EN we neither change in feminine nor in plural. All right. इतना समझा सबको सब कुछ. Chapter 4 completely done. Can I say chapter 4 is completely done? Any doubt? देख लो chapter 4 देख लो. Kushi, Gurleen, I want you to put the answers in the ID which is named as Adhyaya. Okay? So I can check only at one place and reply. सबने chapter 4 देखा? कुछ doubt है किसी को तो पूछ लो. If not, then I will go ahead with first chapter का pending exercises. Okay? Chapter 4 is done. So we say bye bye to fourth chapter and we come to the first chapter. Chalo. I will stop the screen sharing and I will share another PPT with you. Elise कहाँ देखा आपने कौशिकी? Where do you see the word Elise? Champs Elise. Is Champs written next before that? Just hold on. I'm sharing the screen. Okay. So just give me a minute. चैप्टर 1 पे आ जाओ आप भी and be ready to answer the questions. चैप्टर 1 में हमने एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1 एंड 2 सुपरलेटिव एंड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री कर लिया, याद है? So we will start with exercise 3. And I will directly display exercise number 3 on the screen. Exercise number 3 कहाँ है? Just 1 minute, okay? PPT is opening. As soon as it opens, I will share the screen with you all. Exercise 3, chapter 1. Okay, I'm displaying it. Exercise 3 of chapter 1 on the screen. So as soon as I display, you will let me know if you're able to view it or not. Can you see chapter 1 ka exercise 3 on the screen now? Yes? Can you see the slide? पाले रैली से it's a name. पाले is a place, no? जगह का नाम. आपने कहाँ देखा ये? Exercise 15 of chapter 4. Let me check. Okay. It's the name of a place, okay? Abite plus something something, okay? So that means it's a place, name of a place. All right. Shall I start? Exercise number 3. Are you ready? I'm displaying the questions on the screen. Yes. So you have the questions here. What is the word for interesting? The games are interesting. Anybody, any idea what is the word for interesting in French? Yes, it is intéressant. Very nice, Daniel. Now, because the word les jeux, pay attention, okay? Les jeux है ना, games, masculine plural form में लिखा है. इसके लिए हम intéressant को भी masculine plural form में लिखेंगे. मतलब intéressant को हम s लगाएंगे. Clear everyone? Interesting in French is intéressant. हमने s क्यों लगाया? क्योंकि सब्जेक्ट मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल है, तो एडजेक्टिव भी मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल. What is interesting? The games. So we are describing games as interesting. Games प्लूरल है मैस्कुलिन, इसके लिए इंटरेस्टिंग भी मैस्कुलिन प्लूरल. समझा? तो एडजेक्टिव जिस चीज को डिस्क्राइब करता है उस चीज के हिसाब से उसका नंबर एंड जेंडर लेता है. Set shares a low. What is the word for low? Again, pay attention. We are describing what? Set shares. Set shares का number and gender क्या है? Feminine singular. So we need the word for low, which is feminine singular. The word for low is ba, B-A-S. हमने feminine plural कैसे बनाया? By doubling the last letter and adding e. जैसे and, andiya का andian, canadian का canadian, italian का italian, याद है ना? इसका भी हम डबल द लास्ट लेटर है और फिर ई लगा रहे टू मेक फेमिनिन. जैसे एंडिया, एंडियन. देन नेक्स्ट वन, सेट ऑटो ए ग्रेट डैश. सेट ऑटो वॉवल्स क्लैश हो रहा है मैम. यस, क्लैश हो रहा है, तो होने देने का. क्यों? बिकॉज इट्स अ फेमिनिन सिंगुलर वर्ड. अभी अभी सिखा ना डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स में फेमिनिन सिंगुलर प्लस वॉवल के लिए हम CTT लिखेंगे. वी विल लेट द वॉवल्स क्लैश. So what's the word for expensive? The word for expensive is share, CHER. उसको फेमिनिन बनाने के लिए क्या करते हैं हम? ER को ईग्रावारी में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. CHER को हटा के CHE ग्रावारी. All right? साला मोंजे, नोट्रा साला मोंजे ए लार्ज. लार्ज का हम लार्ज ही लिखेंगे क्योंकि इट्स ऑलरेडी एंडिंग इन ई ना, तो हम फेमिनिन में और एक ई नहीं लगाएंगे. ओके? Our professors are intelligent. The word for intelligent is same, but pay attention, professors. So intelligent should take what? Yes, it should take S. So I will write the word intelligent plus S. समझा? Have you understood how to solve these kind of sentences? Adjectives कैसे लिखने का समझा सबको? You should check the adjective is describing which word. फिर वो word का number and gender and adjective का number and gender same to same होना चाहिए. Okay? Shall I change the slide? Have you finished noticing writing this? Did you finish noting this? Yes. Okay. Make feminine. Make feminine तो अभी हमने और एक एक्सरसाइज किया था, ये सिंपल वैसा ही है. इल का प्लूरल हमको मालूम है, राइट? इल का प्लूरल क्या है? There are only two words which are changing here. Il changes to L, and others the words which end in X, they change to what? SE. Okay. So what is happening here? दोनों भी sentences में, okay, the sentence is divided into two parts. He has got good marks. He is happy because he's got good marks. He is happy. So हम आंसर में क्या बोल रहे हैं? She got good marks. She is happy. तो हम he को she कर रहे हैं, il को l कर रहे हैं, and others को भी masculine से feminine form में convert कर रहे हैं. So what happens जब उसको feminine कर रहे हैं तो X generally changes to SE. The words which end in X will usually change to SE for the feminine form. Okay? अगर नहीं मालूम है तो नोट डाउन कर लो. Now the next, these are the last four sentences for the day. The remaining ones will continue in the next class, which is tomorrow. I will start with the fifth chapter also tomorrow if time permits. Okay? And I think then we'll be done with your portion. By क्या number last 4 sentences बाकी है? Okay. So say la nouvelle after the film. Make it feminine. Very good. Daniel का आंसर perfect है. Say हम लोग वैसे का वैसे रखेंगे, same to same. La nouvelle will become la nouvelle. Actor changes to actress, ये तो हमने अभी अभी सीखा, याद है? अभी अभी हमने चैप्टर 4 में फेमिनिन वाला एक्सरसाइज किया तो उसमें भी आया था ये. Do you remember? We just solved this. Actor changes to actress. याद है? Some of you had written actor with E, तो मैंने बताया था ऐसे नहीं होता है, irregular. याद है कि नहीं भाई? Sentence number 3. Cet étudiant est plus jeune de sa classe. CET changes to CETTE, étudiant takes E, la changes to la. Rest of the things shame to shame, as it is such. Okay? Then we have 2 sentences to go. Sia does not change. Why? Because Sia is a verb. Okay? तो verb change क्यों नहीं होता है मैम? तो सोचो, लॉजिक है ना उसमें भी. इल का कॉन्जुगेशन क्या होता है? EST, एत्र में. एल का कॉन्जुगेशन क्या होता है? EST. तो मतलब इल का कॉन्जुगेशन सेम होता है बराबर वर्ब के लिए, तो मतलब वर्ब फेमिनिन में चेंज नहीं होता है. सिंपल. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ व्हाट आर यू चेंजिंग? Sia is a verb, no change. Il changes to L. EST does not change or C does not change. Grand will take E. Sans pair changes to what? Sans pair changes to Samer. So these are the 3 words changing in your answer. Il is changing to L. Grand is taking E. Sans pair is changing to Samer. Sia is old. So the person says old. Oh, he is as tall as his father. Oh my God. He is as tall as his father. Is there anyone who is as tall as his father or his mother? I am. Angel says I am. Okay. Next one. Fifth wala sentence. I am taller than my mom. Anaida, very nice. Good to know. Okay. I am taller. Okay. Great. Great. So it seems there are a lot of people who are taller than mom. Is there anyone taller than daddy? No? Nobody? Suzanne says yes. Really, Suzanne, you're taller than your daddy. Seriously, Suzanne? Ishita, you too? Deep, you too? What are you saying, Deep? Deep तो कुछ भी बोल रहा है. Deep, I've seen you, huh? Chalo, last sentence. Let's get back to the last one. Is changes to what? Else. Wrong contra is a verb. मैंने बताया ना, is का conjugation and else का conjugation same to same होता है. So no change. Are changes to what? UN changes to UNE. Ossia changes to OCN. जैसे India, Indian, वैसे Ossia, OCN. And Ami with E. So what does your answer look like? Let me display it on the screen. It looks like this. Have a look. We are done with the exercise number 3 and 4 of chapter 1. Any doubt, anybody so far? Any doubt, anybody? No. Okay. So hum exercise remaining exercises in the next class and also chapter 5 in the next class. Wrong concept didn't change because it's a verb ना Suzanne. Verbs il and l form में same होता है, याद है? Yes. Okay. So we'll stop here. Any doubt, anybody? Shall I stop? Shall we end? Yes. So have a nice evening. Au revoir. Adios. Ciao. Bonne nuit. Take care. Good night. Bye bye.